what we are going to do is remove all of these bricks to some that are like that are in our backyard. So as soon as I get these bricks up, as much as I can get up, Bruce will dig these up here. And we haven't decided yet whether we're going to bring them up higher or put a different brick there. That's not been decided. And we're hoping we have enough bricks for the project. If we don't, there's more bricks up here that we can take out. And what we will do is buy some of those bigger blocks back there and put them here. Well, at least that's the plan for right now. This is project 2. And the wall had kind of slid into the sidewalk steps. How'd that happen? Well, let me see. Maybe it was because we've hit it with the car. And I'm not going to say who did that, but I'd say it's both of us. So what we're doing is rebuilding the wall. And apparently we came out a little different because we're missing 2 bricks there. But we have 2 bricks in the backyard, we know for sure, so we'll bring them up and put them there. You know us, we save everything. And this is the blocks that were in the back. That when we got the new 49 bricks, we dug these up to put here. And we're just about finished. I think there's about 8 more blocks in the backyard. I'm not 100% sure that 8 blocks is all we need. But we'll go as far as we can. And then these pavers will be brought up and new dirt put under them, you know, because we definitely do drive over this. And so then the project will be called finished. Well, at least this part of the project will be called finished. The wall is finished. Bruce has cleaned all the dirt off the driveway, and it looks really nice. This is where the paving stones were, and they've been taken up. Except for these few, which we need about 2 more blocks for. The project wasn't bad, but it was a case of moving the blocks up that was the worst part. My part was paving stones. I had to dig them up what I was able to dig up. And then they're to be stacked over on the side of the house. But I got tired and it was hot, and so they're stacked here, which is okay. because when we do this next, well, when we do the project where these are going, I can either move them then, or if cooler weather is here, I can move them then. So, we're happy. It's finished, relatively. I mean, even if we never get those other 2 blocks, it's okay.